October is National Bullying Prevention Month, and we're coming together to celebrate Unity Day. Unity Day is a reminder that every one of us can help create a school where kindness, acceptance, and inclusion are the norm. On this day, we stand in support of students who have experienced bullying, and we commit to building a safer, stronger community. You can show your support by wearing and sharing orange, the color that represents unity and the power we have when we stand together. When we choose kindness, we choose courage. When we include others, we make a difference. Join us this Unity Day. Wear orange, take a stand, and spread the message. Kindness, acceptance, inclusion. Unity every day.